Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan fries. Start with the right potatoes like russets for that perfect fluffy interior and crispy exterior. After peeling, cut them into uniform sticks, about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. Soaking them in cold water for at least 30 minutes removes excess starch, which is key for crispiness. Don't forget to dry them completely before they hit the oil. Moisture is the enemy of a truly crispy fry. The secret to truly amazing vegan fries is the double fry method. First, heat your oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes in small batches until they are lightly golden and tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove them and let them drain. Then, crank up the heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the second fry. This two-step process guarantees an incredibly crispy exterior and a fluffy inside. Now for the magic. Once your oil reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit, return those par-fried potatoes for their second dip. Fry them for about 2 minutes, or until they are a beautiful deep golden brown and wonderfully crispy. As soon as they come out, transfer them to a paper towel-lined tray to drain any excess oil. The most crucial step: season them immediately and generously with fine sea salt while they're still piping hot. Your perfectly crispy vegan fries are ready to be enjoyed. They're fantastic on their own, but even better with a delicious dipping sauce. Think classic ketchup, a creamy vegan aioli, or even a zesty sriracha mayo for a kick. For an extra touch, a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chopped parsley or rosemary adds a lovely aroma and flavor. Serve them immediately to savor that incredible crunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.